Marilyn Gooch was skeptical about her new neighbor, xAI's supercomputing facility, when her cousin brought her a blue mailer from the Greater Memphis Chamber of Commerce. The postcard featured logos of 9 agencies and assured residents that billionaire Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company operated in full compliance with all applicable federal, state, and local regulations and oversight. The facility, part of Musk's bid to dominate the AI market, opened rapidly the previous year, largely due to the chamber's efforts. Communities nationwide grapple with data center booms, as these facilities consume vast amounts of electricity and water and emit smog-producing pollutants. Residents elsewhere have used zoning to block such projects, an option unavailable in Memphis as the site was already zoned industrial. Since the facility opened, Gooch joined residents and environmental justice advocates raising concerns at meetings about potential health impacts. They cited the area's existing high concentration of toxic emissions from industrial plants and the county's high asthma rates. The greatest concern was emissions from dozens of methane gas turbines, each the size of a semi-trailer, initially used to power the facility located less than 2 miles from her home. The Southern Environmental Law Center asserted these turbines violated the Clean Air Act and should not have been allowed. The Shelby County Health Department disagreed. Gooch saw the chamber's mailer as an attempt to quiet concerns. Faced with intense public opposition, the chamber pursued unusual efforts to promote xAI, believing its $12 billion investment could transform the shrinking city into a global tech hub. Rebranding Memphis as part of the digital delta, beyond its distribution-based economy. This push included a 5-member team providing round-the-clock concierge service to aid xAI's expansion. The chamber managed xAI's PR and hosted at least 12 invitation-only meetings to tout benefits, while sending a mailer containing incorrect information about governmental oversight. The public had no input as xAI, a private business not seeking tax incentives, face no requirement for community feedback or governmental review. Residents' lone chance to address xAI directly came at a heated health department hearing wherein xAI executive read a statement but left before public comments. Some residents were troubled by Musk's political alignment and controversial posts from xAI's Grok chatbot. The chamber stated it defends projects, not people. The central civic discussion focused on air pollution risks from xAI's turbines, specifically nitrogen oxides and formaldehyde contributing to smog, which increases risks of respiratory issues, asthma, and heart disease. The mailers asserted the chamber prioritized compliance. Boxtown, the low-income, majority black neighborhood near the facility where Gooch lived for generations, has long been plagued by industrial pollution. Scanning the mailer's list of 9 agencies, Gooch doubted the claim of oversight. Only 2 agencies had clear oversight over air quality and health concerns: the US EPA and the Shelby County Health Department. 2 others listed, Memphis Light, Gas and Water and the Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation, stated they had no regulatory authority over xAI. The other 5 oversaw aspects like fire safety or zoning, not health. Chamber official Bobby White, who composed the mailer, conceded he used regulatory loosely, claiming the intent was to show xAI didn't set up shop without consultations. He argued activists misled residents. State Rep. Justin J. Pearson, a critic, said the mailer misled residents. White defended it, asserting activists spread misinformation. Later, during a webinar, The chamber presented a more nuanced slide about agency involvement. Experts stated chambers promote business but should provide accurate information. The chamber touted xAI as a win, projecting 500 high-paying jobs and tens of millions in annual property taxes, increasing to $100 million, with a portion pledged for nearby neighborhoods. xAI committed to funding school improvements. xAI expanded further locally with a second facility and plans for more power. After months of review, the County Health Department granted xAI a permit to install 15 permanent, cleaner turbines in July. An appeal by the Southern Environmental Law Center is pending. The chamber stated xAI addressed environmental concerns. Emissions from the permanent backup turbines would be below EPA limits. Tesla Megapack batteries would protect the grid. And an $80 million wastewater facility would allow use of recycled water for plant cooling. White said xAI was doing as much environmentally as could be hoped. However, residents face valid air quality worries. Shelby County received an F for ozone pollution. It has the state's highest asthma rate. A study showed cancer risk from air carcinogens in southwest Memphis was 4 times the national average. Gooch noted many Boxtown residents died of cancer. Attending a chamber presentation focused on tax revenue, Gooch recalled thinking, "Not all money is good money."